go.
My talent is boxing and cooking. I can learn recipes at a young age, and in the future, I can cook it in the future, and I could box. And boxing, I could defend myself. My mom inspired me to learn how to cook. I got inspired by boxing because I thought it was really cool. I learned to cook muffins, and boxing, I learned new ways to fight. I have developed different ways to cook, like eggs. You can make scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, sunny side up eggs. Boxing, I have got my speed increased by a little bit, and that will help me run faster. When I'm engaged in cooking, I feel excited and nervous, but I feel excited because I am learning something new every time. And why I feel nervous is because if I mess one thing up, I might mess everything up. Boxing, I feel brave and confident, like I could punch a wall down. I want to share with the world my passion because I want others to figure out their passions. People could learn to fight and how to feed themselves. And these are my passions.